Alright, welcome to everybody over at T-Mark Plumbing. My name is Nathan Bruce. I'm going to show you 3 ways today on how you can beat your competition online. Okay, I'm going to get right into it. I think the first thing that we should talk about is content. And content is anything that has to do with your website. Okay, everything that is on your website is content. Okay, even what pictures are saved as. So, if I can find a picture here, which I will use this T-Mark plumber. So AC repair service Buffalo. Okay. On the right track. What we definitely want to see is your business name saved as these photos. Okay. So T-Mark Plumbing yada yada. Okay, something along those lines, because Google's going to go through and see that, and they're going to rank you better, and they're going to put you in front of more possible future customers. Okay. So I don't need to save that. Next thing I want to talk to you about is citations. Okay, a citation is simply your business name, your address, and your phone number. Okay, so you guys have all that on your Google My Business area right here, which is awesome to see. Okay, so if I look up Plumbers Buffalo, New York, Google Guaranteeds pop up, and then we'll get some ads. Okay. I personally like Google Guaranteeds better because a lot of people have ad blockers on their devices and computers, so it's might be better to stay away from regular ads for now. But Google Guaranteeds are definitely awesome. So you guys have yours on here, which is good to see. This is the Google Map Pack. Okay, we like to see businesses get on this first area here, because that's who gets the most calls at the end of the day, the people who are in the Google Map Pack. And then we get down to the directories. What is a directory? Simply another website where businesses can put their information on there. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, things like that. Okay, and then we get into the organic listings, and that starts when we see the first business pop up. Okay, so Celino Plumbing is there, and you guys are sitting right here, which is great to see you guys on the first page of Google for plumbers in Buffalo. Alright, so what we could do is we could try and get you above Celino Plumbing, because if you guys are the official partner of Buffalo Bills, you guys should be number one, right? So, Ahrefs, this website, I pay for this monthly. Okay, this gives me all the Google Analytics on every website. So Ahrefs pays Google for these numbers. Alright, so you guys are sitting at a 37 out of 100 URL scale, URL rating, and that's how much trust that Google has in your website. Okay, the domain rating, you guys have a 9 out of 100. That's how much power that Google gives to your website. Alright, and the third and last thing I wanted to talk to you about today was backlinks. Okay, backlinks are simply other websites that point to your website, and those will bring in more traffic. Okay, those will bring you to the top page of the front page of Google. Okay, you guys have 222 referring domains giving you 2.9 thousand backlinks. Historically, you guys have had like 30,000 backlinks, but only 3,000 of them are live, and this number is very low. That's because the backlinks that you guys have are spammy, and they're not helping you out at all whatsoever. Okay, so we want quality backlinks, backlinks who are, best plumbers in Buffalo. That's their sole purpose of the website. Those kinds of websites are going to be better for you in the long run. Okay, that's definitely something to take in. You don't want an ice cream parlor website or a gas station website, if gas stations even have websites, to put an ad for plumbing on there. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so you guys you're ranking for 1.2 thousand keywords. You guys are bringing around $8.3 thousand a month, and you're bringing around monthly over 1,000 people to your website. Okay, so we got some work to do. Alright, I'm going to show you 2 competitors real quick. Let's start with John the Plumber. Let's see. Their website's okay. Simple. Here are their numbers real quick. A lot lower than you guys. I'm going to touch on keywords with the second business real quick. This is Salino Plumbing, so your biggest competitor in Buffalo, it seems like. They're sitting at a 36 or 33 URL rating and a 16 domain rating. Alright. They have a lot of backlinks. A lot of backlinks. Let's see what they're ranking for keywords wise. So keywords are super powerful. We want to get you into that first position for most keywords. Okay. And if people, the volume button right here, that's how many people monthly are searching for each keyword. Okay. I think this might actually be helping them out a lot, because them being in the 12th position for 7 million people who look up gas monthly, that's pretty good. All right, so we want to get you guys to the first position for things like literally plumbers Buffalo, New York. You know, sump pump installed near me, leak detection, water heater repair service near me. 800 customers monthly are searching for that. Think about what 800 customers a month could do for your business. That could change lives right there. You might have to hire new people for business like that. You know, 24/7 plumbers near me. 3,000 people are looking for that monthly. They're ranked in the second position. So they're definitely getting some of those calls, but they're not getting all of them. Again, what could 3,000 extra customers do for you monthly? That could change the business. You guys could do so much with plumbing. And everyone needs it. That's another thing. Everybody needs plumbing services. So, you know, take this under consideration. There's a lot here, a lot of good information here. If you'd like to work together, definitely let me know. If you found that this video was informative, definitely give me some feedback. It helps me out a lot. Okay, you're, at the end of the day, you're the hero of your business. I'm just the guy helping you out. All right, so I look at, you know, being a business owner myself, I look at this business as a baby. You know, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to take care of that baby. So you should definitely look at it the same way. You know, there's a lot to be said here. Businesses nowadays need websites. They need to have a social media online presence. All right, so the businesses who fall, I guess, who don't do this kind of stuff will fall back. They'll fall behind and won't get the business that they should. So if you're looking to change your business, improve more and more, definitely give me a reach, give me a ring. All right, I look forward to hearing from you. I appreciate it. Have a good one.